Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to subtract numbers in Excel. Let's get started. It's important to realize that there's more than one way to do subtraction in Excel, and these methods are more advanced. Here, we're going to concentrate on the basic, simple way to subtract two numbers in a table. We'll use this table as an example to demonstrate how to work out anything we need, step by step. There are numbers written in columns A and B. Thanks to an easy formula, we'll subtract them and the result will appear in column C. First, click on the cell in which you want to display the result. Let's select cell C2 for our first calculation. Now find the equals key and press it. This acts as a signal to Excel that we want to enter a formula in the cell. Then click on the cell that contains the first number to be subtracted. In this case, it's cell A2. Once we've selected the cell, we can see another part of the formula appeared after the equal sign. It's the cell reference A2. Next, we need to add a symbol for the mathematical operation we want to carry out. So we'll use a minus sign, which is used for subtraction in Excel. After that, click on the cell which contains the minuend, which is B2. So what we've just done is told Excel to subtract the number in cell B2 from the cell A2. Press enter and you're done. The result is available at once. You can use similar steps to add, multiply, or even divide in Excel. You can watch separate tutorials that describe how to do these calculations in more detail. But that's not all. Here comes a handy little life hack just for you. If you need to subtract the numbers in rows 3 and 4, click on the cell containing the formula we've just created, which is cell C2. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol. Then use left click to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. And that's it. Well done! You've managed to subtract the numbers in all 3 rows. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more contents like this.